अगर आपको 2025 के एंड से पहले AI सीखना है ना, तो इससे बेटर कोर्स नहीं मिलेगा। इमेजिन करो एक गूगल का 5 दिन का लाइव कोर्स जिसमें यू विल लर्न एवरीथिंग अबाउट AI. At the end, you will also get a certificate of completion. All of this for this free Google course starts from the 10th of November. So let me quickly show you what all you will learn in it and how can you register for the same. Hit the like button and let's have a look. Alright, so this is the 5-day AI Agents Intensive course with Google which starts on 10th of November till the 14th of November. इसके अंदर आपको सीखने को क्या मिलेगा? Basically 5 days in which first you learn about introduction to agents and agentic architecture. AI agents is the biggest trend of 2025 in which people are building automated workflows which can handle any task for any business, and you will learn how to build these agents from scratch. Day number 2, you will learn about agent tools and interoperability with MCPs. Model Context Protocol is a new technology. It's a way for different services and AI to communicate with each other, and you will learn कि agents को आप कैसे MCP से connect कर सकते हो. Day 3, you will learn about context engineering, sessions, memory management. This is very important, making sure that your agent has the memory and the context that is important for it to run efficiently in that system, in that workflow, in that company. That's really important. Then day 4 where you will learn about agent quality, observability, logging, tracing, basically the backend side of the agent, making sure that everything is run properly, उसको data log कैसे करते हैं, making sure that all the metrics are visible effectively, how can you build these dashboards to see all the data. और सबसे end में day 5 में you will learn how to create a production ready AI agent system all by Google. So you go beyond local testing and learn to deploy and scale AI agents for real world use. इसमें Google की एक नई टेक्नोलॉजी आई है. It's a protocol called agent to agent, which you will also learn to use. You learn to build multi-agent systems as well. So this is a complete live 5-day course by Google that you can enroll for. इसके end में you will also get a capstone project. So you build a project at the end which will test all of your skills and everything that you've learned in the course. You will get daily live streams and ask me anything. So if you have any questions, any doubts, you can get that resolved as well. Discord पे discussion threads होंगे for you to interact with the rest of the team, and you will also get daily assignments which will be generated by Notebook LM. Now, अभी जाकर के register करो, just enter your email and sign up on Kaggle, and that way you will be registered for this entire course. इन्होंने पहले भी ये course conduct किया था, which you can check out over here from March 31st to April 4th, 2025, and उसके सारा data you can access over here. So you can see everything that they talked about. Very similar foundational models in prompt engineering, embeddings and vector databases, generative AI agents, domain specific LLMs, MLOps for generative AI. तो ये सारी ही बातें वो already कर चुके हैं. So you can see कि इन्होंने इस कोर्स में क्या क्या चीज़ें समझाई थी, क्या क्या पढ़ाया था. You can access all the workbooks and get ready for this new live stream course by Google. Hit the like button and subscribe. Share this course with every friend of yours and start learning about AI agents and step up in your career. That's all from me today. The link will be in the description of the video. Hit the like button and I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.